Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about my Louis Vuitton bum bag. I'm going to do an updated review. I'm going to go over the pros and cons again since I've had it for I think almost a year now. I think maybe about 10 months. But I wear this bag a ton. If you guys are following me on Instagram, my name there is trendythread_ in case you're not. You have seen me wear this a zillion million times. And if you want style inspo, definitely check me out on there as well. But I use this bag so much. And yeah, if you guys are new here, by the way, my name is Shauna. I put out videos about once a week, and I make videos about luxury hauls, fashion videos. I love shopping at Zara, so I do like a lot of Zara hauls. And yeah, so if you like those kinds of videos, definitely consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, and let's just talk about this fabulous bag. So if you are following me on Instagram, you'll know that I love this because I wear it so much. And I just really wanted to go over the way that the patina wears, because it does have quite, I mean not patina, vachetta. It does have quite a good amount of leather on it, and it was something that I was afraid of when I first purchased this. I did spray mine with Apple Guard spray. If you guys have not seen my video, I'll link it down below and also have a link up here. But I did a video on how I spray my vachetta with Apple Guard. And the video was actually the first time I've ever done it, but I did it on a couple of my other bags as well as this one. So definitely make sure to check that out in case you are wondering. And so I guess I'll start out by talking about the leather. Mine has like a really nice even patina. I'm not like super scared, I guess because I did spray it. However, I will say that I do have some stains, and I don't know if it's just from water. Could be from like, I don't know, my kids running around. I have 2 kids. But, oh no, it's not going to show up because I have the lighting in a different way. But I do have a little bit of marks, and you know what, guys? It doesn't bother me because I wear this probably 4 days out of the week, if not more. So I'm not super crazy about it, and I think that once you get over that, like, being scared about wearing it, and also once you get like a mark on it, you're like, all right, what am I gonna do? I bought this bag to wear it and use it, and I can't get myself crazy over it. So, but overall, the patina is really nice and even. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll just go over it with like a wipe and just wipe it down evenly. But the leather itself has worn really nicely. The logo here, or I guess the emblem here, like still looks really good. It's not flipping up or anything like that. And yeah, I still have my sticker, like my protective sticker on this back zipper. The zipper in the back is really smooth, easy to get into. I always put my phone back there. And then this here I don't really use. I think you can put like a scarf on it or something. But the leather there also looks really good. And the canvas is really nice and smushy, which I like that about it. I don't find that this flap is annoying at all. Like it really, because I know that the Palm Springs backpack, they actually removed that flap, so I kind of wonder if they're gonna make this and remove this top flap, but it really doesn't bother me as much as the backpack does. I think it has a bigger flap. One thing I want to mention is that I actually, if you didn't see my review or unboxing on this, when I first got mine, I think I went through two or three. I think this is my 3rd one, because the top, the stitching or something wasn't set up right. And then with this one, it was a little bit off, but my sales associate said that as you move the bag, it will start bending into shape, and it has, so that's a good thing. But overall, the outside of the bag really held up. So let's unzip. I don't even know what's in here. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out. And the inside is so clean, it's easy to wipe. I really have not wiped it down since I got it, so that's pretty crazy. Wait a second here. I have not wiped this bag down, and it is spotless clean. That's like a shocker for me. But I don't know. I don't even have one bad thing to say about this bag. I freaking love it. If you guys are debating it, just do it. Like, I literally wear this every day, at least 4 times a week, like I said. My favorite way to wear it is like this. Sometimes I even like making the strap a little bit lower and wearing it like kind of low, like a crossbody bag. But my favorite way to wear it is like this. It just makes anything look cool. Like, I look cool. I'm wearing black crop top and sweats, and I add this bag and it just completes it and I look done. I also like to wear it like this on the side. Some people I see kind of wear it like back like that. And I do also really like wearing it around my waist, but I'll just show you what it looks like. Kind of like that. And another thing is, a lot of people ask me if the adjustable strap where the holes are, is that all you can adjust it? No, you can actually even adjust it more with this buckle right here. So it really does get pretty big and wide if you need it to, which is a really awesome thing. And I'm just trying to think of things that I don't like about it. I freaking love this bag, you guys. I can't even say it any more than I have, because I just love it. I have convinced a bunch of people to get it, and they have been so happy with that. But overall, 1 year wear and tear, I have to say this baby is holding up so nicely. It is worth it. In my opinion, the money is so worth it. It's a great hands-free bag. I have 2 kids, like I mentioned, and this is just like my go-to, and I freaking love it. I'm not sure if I did a what's in my bag, but if I did, I'm gonna leave that down below. It fits so much, like a ridiculous amount. I put diaper and wipes in here. I put my push-out accessory in here. I put my wallet. I put my keys. I could shove everything. It even fits a water bottle. Like, this thing fits a lot, and it doesn't feel heavy. It's so light. But yeah, guys, I don't have anything else to say because I freaking love this bag. Please, if you're thinking about it, get it. Leave a comment down below if you have it and if you love it as much as I do. And also leave it down below if I kind of convinced you to get it, because yeah, I love hearing these things. And always feel free to message me on Instagram. I love getting your DMs, asking me questions about my things. I like helping you, even if it's like just deciding on a bag. I just really love communicating with you guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.